Hello everyone. In this video we'll see what is a merge conflict. So previously we have seen types of merge, that is a fast forward merge and a three-way merge. Please go back and check my previous videos if you're not aware about how to perform a merge operation in Git. So what exactly is a merge conflict? Merge conflict is an event where Git is unable to automatically identify or resolve the difference in code between two commits. So when we merge two commits, sometimes Git is not able to identify which is the correct code to keep. In that case, a conflict occurs. When there are conflicting changes on the same line, a merge conflict occurs in that case also. In most of the cases, the problem occurs when same file is modified in different branches and a merge operation is performed. So this is why a merge conflict occurs. So in this video, we'll see this in detail by first creating a conflict manually from our side and then see how to resolve it. We'll be following this particular diagram. As you have seen in the previous videos, we have followed a diagram and we have stick to that and we have seen how to resolve it. In this case also, we'll do the same. So for this as well, we'll create a fresh repository. We'll create two files, file1 and file2 into different commits, and then we'll create one more branch from the file2, that is the last commit that was made. From there, the branch name will be a dev branch and we'll modify file1 in dev branch. Then we'll switch back to a master branch, that was the previous branch, and modify the same file again with some content. And after that, we'll see how to rectify this particular issue. So let's get started. I will just open my terminal. So give me a minute. Yeah, it's already open. I'll go to my desktop and I will create one directory again quickly. I will say git repo test. I will go inside this repository. By typing git repo test, I will initialize it. So this is initialized. You can see I will create the first file that is over here. That will be a root commit. So I will type file1.txt. I will edit it by typing file1.txt in the editor mode, insert, and then I will say file1.txt is created and I will save it. Git status. You can see this file is untracked. I will track it by typing git add and I will commit it. File1 is committed. So we have created our first commit, that is over here. Now we'll do the same for file2 also. So I will say file2.txt edited by file2.txt. I'll go in the insert mode and I will say file2.txt is created. I will save it, check the status, it is untracked. I will add it and I will say git commit file2.txt is committed. So now we are at this stage. So we have created two files and committed it. So two commits are already made. Now I will create one branch. Let's say with the name as dev branch. So this is some operations on the branch. If you're not aware about how to use branches and create branches or delete branches, I will request you all to please go back and check my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So now I'll just move to the branch. I will say checkout branch. We are at dev branch over here. Now I will modify the particular file, that is file1.txt. I will go here and I will say file1.txt is modified by dev branch. I will save it. So you can see this file is modified now. I will just add it. I will add it, git add txt, and I will do a commit operation. So you can see this particular commit is made over here. So now the file is changed, that is file1 is changed and the current dev branch is over here. And I will again go back to master branch. I will say git check out master. We have switched to master, and we'll try to modify the same file again over here. So you can see we cannot find the changes made by the dev branch because this is a different branch itself. I will save it. So you can see it is modified. I will just simply add it, file1.txt, and I will commit it. We'll give a proper comment for this, and this is committed. Now we know we have followed all the structure that is over here. That is, we have created two files and we have created one branch, that is dev branch over here. After that, we have modified the file one over here, and same thing, we have modified the file and master as well. Now we'll try to merge this particular code and we'll see if there is a conflict. So I'll just check on which branch I am in. So I am in masters, that's the receiving branch, that's totally fine. I will say git merge and I will give the branch name from where I want to merge. So you can see there is a problem here which says conflict, merge conflict in file 1. So we need to resolve this. So as of now, we have created a conflict over here by modifying the same file, that is file 1, into different branches and trying to merge it now. Now we have to see how to fix it. So for that, it is very easy. I will just do a edit operation on the particular file. I will say vi and the file name, it's here. So now you can see there are few changes that's mentioned over here for this particular file. Since there was a conflict, you can see two lines are added over here. The first line over here that you can see is from master branch, the change that we have made, and this line is from the dev branch, that's the second branch we have made. And because these two lines are conflicting, this particular merge, it has failed. So now in this particular edit mode, we can do one thing is like we can delete the all unwanted files or the unwanted content of the particular file manually. So let's say I want to keep the content of, let's say, the dev branch. So I will delete all the content that's over here like this, and I will just keep whatever is needed. So I will delete all this extra file that was committed from master and the header and footer as well. So now you can see I have already kept the changes that I want from this particular file, that is from dev branch. So I will just quickly save it. So you can see this particular file is modified. Before doing that, I'll just go to my source tree and show you the structure. I will open my repository. So I believe this is the name. And if I go to history, you can see the conflict occurred over here, and this is the structure that we have followed. We have created two files over here with two commits. We have modified the file 1 with dev branch and file 1 with master, and then we tried to merge. There was a conflict over here. To resolve the conflict, we have done changes by using the editor over here, and now we'll just add the file to staging area and we'll do a commit. By giving proper content. So I will say file is merged, hit enter. Now you can see the file is merged, and now the conflicting part has gone from here, and you can see the comment as well over here. So this is how we can resolve a merge conflict in case of Git, and this is how we can perform all the operations that comes in a real life scenario as well. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.